158, 854. We are sorry that the 0933 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central is delayed by approximately 7 minutes. This is due to a late train being in front of this one. Platform 1 for the 0941 East Midlands Railway service to Leicester via Nottingham. Calling at Swinderby, Collingham, Newark Castle, Carlton, Nottingham, Beeston, Attenborough, East Midlands Parkway, Loughborough, Barrow-upon-Soar, Sileby, Syston and Leicester. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Platform 2 for the delayed 0933 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central. Calling at Lincoln Central only. This train is formed of 2 coaches. See, once this one's on that treadle, the back carriage.
Warning, another train is approaching. 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 Another train is approaching. Warning, another train is approaching. Warning, another train is approaching.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 2. Platform 1 for the 1012 East Midlands Railway service to Newark Northgate. Calling at Collingham and Newark Northgate. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Platform 2 for the 1018 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central. calling it Lincoln Central only. This train is formed of 2 coaches. I think retard the 94th's just arrived.